Phazamiseka ukusebenza esibhedlela iKalafong Provincial Tertiary Hospital e-Atteridgeville ekuqaleni kwanamhlanje njengoba amalungu omphakathi esolwa ngokuvimba bokufika kuleli ukuthi bathole usizo kulesi sikhungo. Kwividiyo efakwe ku-X ngeli-Twitter, iqulu labantu libhekane nowesifazane okhulelwe odabuka kwelaseZimbabwe obeyofuna usizo lwezempilo bethi akumele athole usizo ngoba akasona isakhamuzi saseNingizimu Afrika. Umnyango wezempilo eGauteng ukugxekile ukuziphatha kwalaba wagcizelela ukuthi ukuthola usizo lwezempilo kuyilungelo elikumthethosisekelo lawo wonke umuntu ezweni. Ukwengeza, umnyango uqinisekisa umphakathi ukuthi isimo siqashwe ngeso lokhozi ngamaphoyisa.
Sister, when you were checking in the ward, when you ran away
in the toilet, why?
Why? Even now, she ran again. She said, "I'm coming. I'm going to the bathroom." Toilet. She's gone. Now, can we have our
You think we are
medication?
playing?
Can we have our medication? The one they gave. You did what?
There's no way they don't give you.
Wait, what were you doing inside there?
The department is gravely concerned regarding the unruly behavior exhibited by some community members who, over the past few days, have been obstructing patients from accessing Kalafong Provincial Tertiary Hospital in Atteridgeville, demanding that they produce their identity documentation at the gate. We have since called the police to be on site to assist us in managing the situation, and we urge law enforcement agencies to not hesitate to ensure that the laws of the land are implemented and that those that are responsible for preventing patients from accessing healthcare services are held accountable. No one has the right to obstruct other people from accessing healthcare services, as this is a constitutionally protected right insofar as access to health services is concerned. So we really want to plead with the community that they must desist from this particular practice, because it will lead to people that need healthcare attention not really getting the help that they need.